Hello everyone, myself Prashant Tyagi from Team Lexus and Company. I hope you all guys are safe and healthy. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about the important topic that is media in the constitutional framework. This topic includes two parts. First, freedom of expression of media in the constitution and the restrictions imposed by the constitution on the freedom of expression. First of all, we will discuss freedom of expression of media in constitution. The freedom of speech is the single most important political right of citizens. Without free speech, no political action is possible and no resistance to injustice or oppression is possible. Without free speech, elections would have no meaning. The public opinion, the public policies of contestants became known to the public only by the help of media. Freedom of expression means as a special right of human which embrace free speech. Freedom of expression is one of a number of mutually supporting rights, including freedom of thought, of association, and not of assembly, and the right to vote, and is integral to the right to take part in public affairs. The right of freedom of expression impacts on social and cultural rights such as right to education. The right of expression of freedom of speech is recognized as a human right under Article 19 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and the International Convention on Civil and the Political Rights, that is ICCPR. Article 19 of the ICCPR states that everyone shall have the right of freedom of expression. This right shall include freedom of seek, receive, and impact information and ideas of all kinds, regardless of from either orally, in writing, in a print, in form of art, through any other media. Article 19 goes on to state that the exercise of these rights carries special duties and responsibilities, may therefore be subject to certain restrictions. Before discussing the other point, that is the restrictions imposed by the Constitution of India on the right of expression and speech, we have to understand the need of the freedom of expression in constitutional framework of media. The first important and the vital playing role, need and object is the search of truth. When all ideas have been freely heard by the jury of public opinion will deliver its verdict and pick the version of place of ideas which is linked with the search for the truth, has been a powerful influence in applying constitutional guarantee of freedom of expression in many countries. The other need is democratic self-government. Communication is a conduct for democratic government. The free flow of information and ideas informs political debate. It is a safety valve. People are more ready to accept decision that goes against them if they can principle seek to influence them. Now we discuss about the restrictions imposed by the Constitution of India on the rights of freedom of expression of media. There are several grounds of restrictions, but the important restrictions that imposed by the Constitution of India are as follows. First of all, where is the matter of security of the state? Under Article 19, subsection 2, reasonable restrictions can be imposed on freedom of speech and expression in the interest of security of state. The term security of a state refers only to serious and aggravated form of public order. The other restriction, that is friendly relations with foreign states. When the matter is concerned about the relations between other foreign states, other foreign countries, the restriction can be imposed on the media for right of expression. Another ground of restriction is public order. Anything that disturbs public equality, tranquility, public peace, public order, the communal disturbance and strikes promoting with the sole object of causing unrest among the people to disturb the public order can be imposed the right of expression of any speech. Where there is a matter of morality and decency, prohibit the distribution of the expression of speech of the media. Defamation, a statement which injures a man's reputation amounts to defamation. Sedition, where is the matter of sedition? The restriction can be imposed on the media against his right of freedom of expression. These all are points that indicates the grounds, the restrictions imposed by the Constitution of India upon the media for the right of freedom of speech and expression. I hope you all guys understand the meaning of the legal framework of the media in the Constitution. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay tuned. Have a nice day.